So, you want to try out the awesome Cursor Pro AI code editor, but you stop dead in your tracks when it asks for a credit card, right? I get it, it's frustrating. Well, you clicked on the right video, because today I'm showing you a simple, alternative method to unlock that full Pro free trial. Now, make sure you follow every single step exactly as I show you, or it might not work. This tutorial is purely for educational purposes. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the Cursor homepage. First thing we're going to do is head up to the Pricing tab. We see the different plans, and we're aiming for that Pro trial. But here's the first important step. Instead of clicking Get Pro, we're actually going to go to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. From the Sign In page, since we're brand new, we'll go down and click the Sign Up link. Now for the email. To keep things clean, we'll use a temporary one. Let's open a new tab and search for Temp Mail. The first result from temp-mail.org is perfect. We'll just wait for the page to generate our new disposable email address. Any second now. And there it is. Let's hit that copy button. Back on the Cursor Sign Up tab, let's paste that email in. For the first and last name, we'll just put something simple. Let's go with Paz and Moss. Looks good. Now click Continue. Of course, we have to prove we're not a robot. Let's check that box. Success. Now to create a password. Go ahead and type in a secure password here. Once you're done, click Continue. A double check to make sure we're human. Let's do it one more time. And we're through. Okay, now it's asking for a verification code sent to our temporary email. Let's switch back to the Temp Mail tab. Now, don't panic if the email isn't instantly there. Sometimes these things like to take their sweet time. We'll just click the little refresh button on the page. Still waiting. Let's give it one more refresh for good luck. And there we go, an email from Cursor. Let's click to open it. Inside, you'll see the 6-digit code. Let's go ahead and copy that number, switch back to the Cursor tab, and paste it right into the boxes. It verifies automatically and boom, account created. Now it's asking how we plan to use Cursor. We'll just select By Myself and click Continue. Now it's offering the Pro trial, which is what we want, but don't click Continue just yet. This is another key step. We're going to click Skip for now at the bottom. This will take us to the main dashboard. And hey, speaking of skipping, don't you dare skip that subscribe button. I'm pretty sure this method is powered by subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, it might not work. All right, here on the dashboard, you can see we're on the free plan. Now, we're going to click the Start 14-Day Trial button inside the Pro Plan box. This takes us to the checkout page. Now, follow along closely. We see the card option, but we're going to select the U.S. bank account option instead. For the billing address, you can enter a valid U.S. address. I'm just going to type 69 Adams Street and select the autofill option for Brooklyn, New York. Now look for the link that says Enter Bank Details Manually and click it. A pop-up will appear. This is the most important part, so don't skip ahead. For the routing number, you should enter your own real bank routing number for verification. For this video's demonstration, I am using 121-12899. For the account number, again, please enter your own valid account number. I'm just typing in random digits here for the purpose of this video only. Once you've entered and confirmed your numbers, click Submit. It'll ask to save your info with link. We don't need that, so we'll click Finish without saving. Now we're back on the checkout page. The last thing to do here is enter a full name. We'll just type Moe Os, and now we click the big Start Trial button. You'll see it's processing. This is the moment of truth, and success! A beautiful green check mark. It'll then redirect you through the final onboarding steps. First, the data sharing page. Just click Acknowledge and Continue. We'll click Skip for now. And finally, the onboarding complete page. Let's click Continue to Dashboard. And there you have it. Look at the top left under your username. It clearly says Pro Trial. You have successfully started your 14-day free trial. Finding these workarounds and making these guides takes a lot of effort. So if this helped you, please subscribe to Code Director, smash that like button, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Share it with a friend who might need it. Thanks for watching.